Good morning. We're at David Garden Seeds, where we have found out about this little gizmo called a sticker picker. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll this, see if it actually picks up any stickers. Now, this is designed to pick up stickers that are already fallen off the plant. It's not designed to pull them off the plant. So we just mowed this on Wednesday, so I know that we've got to have stickers laying out here, even though we did try to bag the stickers as we mowed it. So let's give it a little try here and see what we get. Oh gosh, look at that. We got a whole bunch of stickers already. And we're thinking about selling these. And see what we can do with them ourselves. As you can see, it's picked up quite a few. I have a few, there's some that have missed because the ground's not very level and various things like that. And I think it needs to be a little bit heavier too. Maybe like put a couple of weights on it. Alright. So, we're probably going to sell these. I'll be looking for these here at David's